Good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear me. I got my microphone on. I have been a really bad creator. And why have I been a bad creator? Because I haven't put out a video since November. So you kids need an update of exactly what's going on. So first off, everybody who has followed, thank you so much. I appreciate your patience. This channel is still about, roll my windows up because it's a little chilly. You can see the fog. The fog is absolutely nuts. So I'm going to pay attention to the road. I've seen a lot of people doing these driving videos, and I thought, you know what? I've got some time between my house and work, and it's just a really super short drive, so you're not going to be too bored. Anyway, a little bit different from previous videos. You're not going to see a bunch of miscellaneous crap on the screen to distract you. But anyway, so put my foggum lights on because it is foggy. So I do need to update you as far as what's going on with the portfolio. I got into NVIDIA in November, and I'm still in NVIDIA. I got in that near the top, was hoping for a really quick bump. It bumped, but I should have gotten out. So I am still in NVIDIA. So everybody who's in NVIDIA right now that's very upset that it went down and it's been going sideways since November, you can blame me because it is my fault. It is my fault that NVIDIA is where it is. I have a habit of doing that. Being a really good, something that's going really good, really strong, and as soon as I hop into it, it's dead. So you can blame me. Put your hate in the comments. I am quite all right with that. It is my fault. So some big things are going to be happening this month. Number one is we are going to incorporate. We are going to take and make this trading thing a business. It is not going to be a side hustle where I'm hoping to make money. I am actually going to turn this into a business. I did a bunch of research on this for the past couple years. Finally reached out to an accountant who's going to do my taxes this year and my taxes from this point forward. I'm buying some of my time back and let other people do my taxes. I hate doing taxes, especially when I see that number, but I'm going to let somebody else do it. I am not expecting the tax discount that is being touted, and everybody's going to have a big refund and all that stuff. I am 100% certain that I am not getting any of that. As a matter of fact, I'm expecting to pay more than I have in the past, which absolutely sucks. But who knows? I may be pleasantly surprised. So did a lot of research on going and making this as a real business. And basically, there's a lot of great videos on YouTube. I'm not going to go into a lot of explanation. But basically what it is you create a C Corp, and then you create an LLC partnership underneath that C Corp that for the trading. It's great for tax advantages. That's the biggest thing. The huge tax advantages to it. And I can get an income from the C Corp and the LLC. But I'll let the accountant handle all that stuff. I'm just going to do the trading. So what's going to have to happen is I'm going to have to create a whole other account because you cannot trade in Robinhood as an entity. Robinhood is strictly for individuals, so I cannot do any of my trading in Robinhood. I will open an Interactive Brokers account. I've worked with them before, absolutely adore them. I like them a lot. Fairly simple. Yeah, there you go. Pull right out in front of me. Great job, dude. Great job. Love driving Friday morning. Anyway, so I'm going to have to open an account with Interactive Brokers. Good format. It's a little bit more detailed. You have to have a minimum balance, which I hit that minimum balance, which is good. I've been collecting it for quite a while, so we are good there. The other cool thing about creating the C Corp is that any other side hustle that I do that I want to run as a business and not run as a sole proprietor, I can do that under the C Corp, which is fantastic. So all of the thrifting that Kelly does, we can do the thrifting under the C Corp. The biggest challenge with that is, and I told her, we've got to do a thorough inventory of everything she has. We got to figure out the value and all that fun stuff. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge, but we'll spend the next few months getting that done. So everything she does, I have to get her a completely separate card for her doing her thrifting. It's got to be very, very business-like. But you know what? I think that's going to be great for her. It's going to give her organization, give her something as a goal, and that'll all go into the C Corp. Lots of great other tax advantages. Again, you can Google those. There's some fantastic videos out there that really talk about trading and doing things as a C Corp and an LLC. Other than that, my Roth IRA is doing decent. It's been holding very steady. It did the dip in December like most things did. Has climbed back up again. In Robinhood, the Roth is still riding right about $10,000. I think it was 10 to 80 something yesterday afternoon, something like that. It was right around there, so it's holding steady. I'm pretty happy about that. I am probably going to use my I've got Round Hill Robinhood coin and the Ethereum ETFs in my E-Trade. They've been losing value quite strongly here lately. Of course, Robinhood and coin have been down for a long time. Ethereum's been down with Bitcoin as well. I may end up go ahead and take a loss on those and use that cash for the business, or I may transfer them over to the Roth half and half. We'll figure that out, exactly what we want to do. But I got some plans for that. The income every week is holding right about $261 for my ETFs. That's been about the average for the past few weeks for everything. When one's up, one is down, vice versa, all that fun stuff. I got rid of Alti, and I've been watching Alti, keeping an eye on it to see what it's been doing, and yeah, it's doing the exact same thing it was doing before. So I am happy that I got out of Alti. Everybody else that got out of Alti, they're probably pretty happy about it as well. WiMAX is probably my next one to really think about. Oh, big change. I have changed how I started this week. I have started taking all of my income, my distributions from my ETFs, and I am reinvesting all of them into the other ETFs strictly on their weight into the portfolio. So really trying to balance those out and not put... So when I get, say for example, so Robinhood is the biggest one, the Round Hill Robinhood is the biggest one that I get. So that has really built up tremendously. As a matter of fact, my biggest, other than BTGD, the actual Robinhood security is the biggest one I have because I just get more money from that one. So that way HOOW doesn't grow exponentially away from everybody else, really kind of evening that out, bringing in some other ones that don't have as much up, so we get more income from those as well. So really trying to balance the account as we move forward. Same thing with all of my growth. But anyway, I am pulling up to work. Thank you for having this great conversation with me. I'm going to go ahead and make the turn here. Thank you so much for continuing to follow. More updates to come. If you like the Friday ride to work, I am more than happy to keep doing them because that was actually kind of fun. It got me here super quick. Not that I want to get to work quick, but I'm here. I'm at work. Have yourself an absolutely wonderful weekend. Thanks.